What's up guys? It's your boys Atrian.
I'm Rish back again
On Trini Vlogs, and today we're going to be showing you all how to make a wooden ramp for if you have a lowered car. Let's go.
Hi guys, so we're gonna make the ramp 3 levels high, right? We're using 2x12 ply, and our measurements will be 42 inches for the first level, 28 inches for the second level, 14 inches for the third level. So you'll see here we have our measurements already marked out. So the first one is 42 inches till here, then we have 14, another 14, and then a 42 at the end. So we're gonna make our cuts now, and then we'll make our cut for the 28 inches. Alright, so remember, always wear your safety equipment. And now to the cutting. Good.
Six and a half hours later. $2,000 later. Eventually.
Alright guys, so these are the different lengths that we're going to be using for the 3 tiers of the ramp. The base is going to be 42 inches long. Second level is going to be 28 inches long. And the top where your tire is going to be sitting is 14 inches long. Again, the dimensions of the plank is 2 inches in width by, it's 12 inches in width and 2 inches high. And again, the dimensions 14 inches, 28 inches, 42 inches. Next step is to glue them together and drill screws in them to keep them in place. Alright, so this is how the final ramp is gonna look. Longest sheet on the bottom 42 inches, 28 inches second tier, top tier 14 inches. So when it's glued together and screwed together, this is the length and height. We would get approximately 6 inches, just under 6 inches off the ground.
Alright, so now on this part, as you can see, it's a little darker outside. We had to go retrieve some screws. So you're using 2-inch board. Actually it's less than 2 inch, like 1 3/4, so you're using 2.5 inch screws. So when it goes down, you'll get a good coverage into the other piece of board. So now we're gonna be gluing, putting some glue down on here, turning it over onto the piece, and then screwing it down. We're gonna be using about 6 screws for the second onto the bottom piece, and then about 4 screws to the top piece onto the second piece. Let's go.
Here we go!
Just make sure your edges lined up. Yeah, nice snug fit together like a wafer. 2.5-inch screws instead of using nails because less chance of actually splitting the wood. Alright guys, so a real important step when you're laying the glue on the wood, if you follow this pattern, you'll get the strongest bond possible. Okay, so it's extremely important that nobody wins the game of tic-tac-toe. Somebody wins, you need to start all over with the gluing process. Third layer on the wafer. Alright guys, so each step so far is about 2 inches high, but we're gonna make it a little bit easier. We're gonna add in some 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch pieces just reduce the height as you go up, so it'll be an easier transition. Instead of going a full 2 inches up, you'll only need to have a clearance of about 1/2 to 3/4 inch.
So this is lat.
Okay.
So instead of having to go up 3 2-inch steps, I'm gonna make the transition a little bit easier and add in a 3/4 inch primer basically. Alright guys, so that's the full procedure to do one side of the step. The last step will just be to add in another one to the front of the ramp.
Alright guys, so this is the first test of the ramps. So you see we have it set up already.
We have about 8 to 10 inches total clearance now. Alright guys, so that's the end there. You saw the whole process how to build the ramp. Try it out for yourselves, let us know how it goes.
DIY ramp for cheap. Get it done.
Nice and easy, quick, and all it'll probably take about 20 minutes if you have all the tools and everything with you. We didn't, it took us probably about 6 hours.
Always triple your time that you're set out with.
So stay tuned guys, you'll see the reason that we needed to build a ramp. Stay tuned to see the next install coming.
Hi guys, so just a quick tip here. You have your first ramp down for storage. You're going to take your second one, flip it upside down, and then raise it, and come on to this one. Put your 2 extra pieces of wood on the top here if they are not sticked yet. And that's it. Small storage, best jack.